Upon entering, you have your kitchen with a sink, range hood, and a cooktop. On the other side, you have full toilet and bath. This is a 32 square meter 1-bedroom end unit. The typical 1-bedroom unit here ranges from 23 to 28 square meters. We go to your living and dining area. This specific unit has a flex table that can be turned into a bigger table. This unit is for rent, but we also have available units for sale. On this side, you have your TV cabinet and a lot of storage space above. This table can also be lowered and be easily hidden. Speaking of hidden, you have a queen-size bed neatly hidden at the back of your sofa. This is a spot ideal to Netflix and chill. We do have another sleeping area here. This has a bit of privacy with this partition. And you get to enjoy this view from your balcony. We are on the 39th floor. Now let's check out the amenity area. For investors, this is a solid investment. Ideal for people working and studying in Makati, as it is just walking distance from the central business district. Ready for occupancy units, can be paid in installment up to 60 months, zero interest. For more details, check out the description box. The mall at the ground floor is complete with supermarket, bank, hardware, pharmacy, restaurants, and coffee shops. There you have it. That's a quick look at Jazz Residences. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.